that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here. Not over there. Quite catchy. Snape, Snape, Silverus Snape, 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 Silverus Snape, Dumbledore, Snape, Silverus Snape, Dumbledore, Ron, Silverus, Ron Weasley, Ron, Silverus, Ron Weasley, Hermione, Hermione, Ron Weasley, Hermione, Potter, Ron Potter, Hermione, that's me, Hermione, Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort, 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 ba-dum-dum-dum. Oh my gosh.
How do you end it?
I like to read.
Emma as Ron Weasley.
That's right, buddy.
Nicole as
Dumbledore.
Tori as
Snape.
Maddie as
Hermione.
Glenna as
Harry Potter.